Hey everybody, it's Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and tonight I want to show you the Boho Indigo Product Medley. In case you have not seen it in the catalog, it is one of my favorite things, and I know you probably get sick of me saying that because I always say that about stuff, but I do really love this product medley. And what a product medley is, it is like a kind of like a kit, but they don't give you any pre-made projects. So what you do is you get the kit and you come up with your own projects, or you go online and look for ideas and things like that. So let me show you. It's on page 9 in the catalog, and this is what it shows you in here, but it really does not do it justice because this is what you get, but I'm going to show you bigger what you actually get. So oops, let me turn my volume down here. Okay. Oh, hey, Carol. Hey, Betsy. I didn't know if anybody would be watching tonight because I just decided to come on real quick and do this. But I wanted to let you know that tomorrow is the last day to get your $5 bonus coupons. So if you want to do this class with me, it's going to be an online class, kind of like my mystery card class, except we're going to be doing between 6 and 8 cards instead of just 1 card. And I will give you all the details ahead of time of what you need to cut, you know, the size of each card and everything, but you have to get the whole entire kit in order to be able to do it with me online. I was going to do this class in person, but because of the COVID stuff, I really am kind of worried about doing classes at my house still. So I've decided to do this online and let you guys cut your own stuff. But if you have the whole kit, it's going to be really simple. All you'll need to have is a paper cutter and your Big Shot. And then to go along with the kit, you need to have a few ink pads. You need to have either the Night of Navy or the new Misty Moonlight. And then the Crumb Cake ink pad. And that's pretty much it. I think those are the only 2 that I've used. And then you also need to have cardstock. So some white cardstock, some vanilla cardstock, some crumb cake cardstock, and either the Misty Moonlight or Night of Navy. They're pretty close. They're close enough, those 2, so you don't have to have both of them. I'm using the Misty Moonlight for all of my cards, but if you have Night of Navy, you can use that one too. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what comes in the kit. It's a ton of stuff. So first of all, you'll get the stamp set, the Boho Indigo stamp set, and the dies that go with it. And it comes with these dies plus about 6, I think 5 or 6 more. But I took them out because I've been using them all day long. They're all sitting on my Big Shot. So you get the ones that go with each of these bases and with that flower. I think those are the 4 that I took out. So these plus those 4, those 4 right there. And it's got some cute words with it. We'll be using this one and the thank you. And we're pretty much going to be using every single stamp set in here except for, I don't think I've used these 2. And I didn't use that one. Sorry, you're feeling blue. Well, I could use that one. I've made half the cards so far. So I'm trying to just stick with everything that's in the kit so you don't have to use anything additional except for just those ink pads and cardstock and adhesive too. So those are the 2 main things. And then you also get this pack of paper, and it comes with a ton. You get, let's see how many sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And then 8 of these. And 8 of these. And then they stick stuff in the middle of each one. Let's see, 8 of these. 8 of these. And 8 of these. And then, I mean, they're gorgeous papers. And then if you flip them over, you've got the other side. So the other side's just as pretty too. So it's hard to decide with these which side you want to use because they're all beautiful. And that's a hard decision when you have to do that. There's only a couple that I don't like out of the whole thing, maybe this one and this one I think are the only two that I don't like. But I mean, they're just beautiful. I just love, love, love them. This is my favorite one, and probably this one too, these two. So you get 8 sheets of each of these, so that's 48 sheets total of the designer papers, and they're 6 by 6 and double-sided. So that's a ton of cards you can make right there. And then on top of getting all of that, you also get all of these embossed sheets. So, oops, that's in there by mistake. Okay, so we've got, let's see, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. And they're embossed. So, and these are all vanilla. So you get these 6 sheets that are already embossed for you. They're 6 by 6 too. And they're all in vanilla. So we're going to be using some of those. Then you get these cutouts. So you get 2 sheets of each one. So you've got 2 sheets of these. And then you get 2 of these. Oops. Let's see. That goes that way. Then you get 2 of these too. So you get all of these cutouts, so you don't even have to do a lot of cutting. But we are going to be punching out some things. So I wanted, oh, I forgot about the ribbon. You also get a ribbon, a roll of this pretty gold ribbon, which is really pretty. See how it shimmers? This is 1/4 of an inch, and it's really thick. It's really, really nice ribbon. And then you also get this one, which is the, I think it's Night of Navy, because this says Misty Moonlight. And it's a little bit darker. I think it is more Night of Navy. It doesn't really say on it what it is. But you get these 2 rolls of ribbon, which is a ton of ribbon. Then you also get 2 packs of flowers in different sizes. So you get these flowers. They're not self-adhesive, so you got to use a glue dot. But I think there's about 20 in each one. So you get about 20 of these and 20 of these. So that's a lot of little flowers too. So that's all that comes in it. And then if you want to get the refill kit, it's just the paper pack with the embossed stuff. So it's just this stuff that I showed you. So you get all the paper, all the embossed parts, all the cutouts, and those flowers. So this is the refill kit here. So you don't get the stamp set and the dies or the ribbon, but you get the other stuff. So all the paper and the flowers will be in the refill kit. So you can also get that. But in order to do class, you have to have everything. All right, so I'm going to show you some cards. These are a few of the cards we're going to be doing. This is one I made today. And so I used 2 of the papers and the flowers. This is one of the cutouts here. And this is one of the cutouts, and then the ribbon. So that's one of the cards we'll be doing. This is another card we'll be doing. And this one I just stamped on here, and then, oh, I forgot, we are going to be using linen thread, so you do need some linen thread too. And then, I don't know if you can see this, I did little speckles all over that with my Stampin' Blend. So you might want to have your Stampin' Blend too, just to add a little bit of speckles on there, because there is no speckle stamp in this, so I just took it and kind of hit it on the lid and made some speckles on there. So that's really cool. So if you have your Stampin' Blends in the Crumb Cake or the Misty Moonlight or the Night of Navy, have those handy too. And I'll be sending out a list. I'll post it on my website and send it out to you by email if you're on my email list, what you need for each card. And this is another card that we'll be doing. This one just uses the DSP. This is one of the embossed pieces that I actually stamped. I wasn't sure how that was going to work, stamping on a piece of embossed, but I did it on the debossed side, not the side that sticks up, but the side that kind of goes down. So, and it stamped fine on there, so that was pretty easy to do. And then the vase I did punch out with a Big Shot. This is one of the cutouts that's already done for you, and that's the ribbon. And then these 2 cards, we're not going to be making these 2. These are 2 that I got in a swap. This was from, let's see who made this one. Lynn Monet. I'm not sure who that is. She's in our group, though, that does the swap. That's so funny. She lives just right down the street from my stepmom. So I didn't even notice that. Her address is on there. So this is one of those, what do you call that card? Kylie Bertucci came up with this scrappy strips or something like that technique. So I'm going to try that. We might do that card, but that's a lot of cutting. So I don't think I'm going to do that for this class, but I wanted to show you that one. And then this one of my downline made this, Sandy Alexander. And she is one of my favorite people in the whole world. I love her to death. And this is a really cute card. But we're not going to be doing this one because this uses a lot of stuff that's not in the kit. And I really wanted to try and stick to what comes in the kit. So these are just 2 extra cards. But these are 3 of the cards we're going to make. And we are going to do between 6 and 8 cards. I'm going to try and come up with 8. And we'll definitely do at least 6, but probably 8. So these are 3 of them. So if you want to do this class, you need to go online on my, oh my gosh, look at all the people that are on here. I didn't even look at the screen. Wow, we got Deb, Christy, Chris, Denise, Betty, Robin, Patty, Sherry, wow, Liza, Kathy. Hey, everybody, Lisa. I'm so excited. I've never had so many people watching. I hope you guys are having a great night, and I hope you like the cards that I showed you. And I hope you're going to go to my website and buy this. You can do it online if you want to at my website, stampingwithlisa.com, right here. And you just click on the shop button. And remember, if you do it by tomorrow, you'll get that $5 coupon to use for next month's order. So try and do that tomorrow. And the class is going to be towards the end of the month, so you'll have at least 2 weeks to get your product in, because I know right now they're running behind. And our new holiday mini goes live on the 4th. So what's going to happen on the 4th, I got all these stickers on here. On the 4th, which is the day after tomorrow, this holiday catalog, I can't even talk. The holiday catalog goes live. So what's going to happen is 1 billion people are going to put in orders on the 4th, and it's going to back up a lot. So it's probably going to take an extra week if you wait until the 4th to order this kit. So I would go ahead and order it today or tomorrow, and then put your holiday order in later, or second day air it if you want to get it on time. I mean, if you want to get it really quick. And I'm going to be out of town starting next Thursday. I'm supposed to go to the Outer Banks unless the hurricane wipes it away, but hopefully it won't do much. So I'm going to visit my sister in the Outer Banks. So if you want to order anything out of the holiday mini like right away, you please email me in the next couple days so I can get your order in before I go. I'm not taking a computer with me to my sister, so all I'm going to have is my cell phone. So it's kind of hard to put in an order on my cell phone. I can do it, but please try and email me or go online and order. The hostess code is on my website, stampingwithlisa.com. The hostess code is on there, so you can use that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video that shows you this Boho Indigo Product medley. And hopefully you'll join me for my class in a couple weeks. And I hope you guys have a great night. And thanks for watching. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to the my YouTube channel and click the little bell to get notifications whenever I post a video on there. So, thank you guys so much, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.